Okay, let us see one statement question related to the concept that we have studied today. We have been given one figure and it is having two shapes. One is a triangle and one is a rectangle. The question is to find the perimeters of both these shapes, perimeter of the triangle and rectangle as well. First of all, we should know that what is perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter tells you about the boundary of the shape. Like if I say the perimeter of this board, then what is the perimeter of this whiteboard? From here, if you move to this side, over here, and back here. Suppose you are having one thread and you rotate it around this board. Yes, and then you take it out and measure it. Then that length would be called the perimeter. So perimeter is nothing but length of the boundary. Length of the boundary is called perimeter. If you ask perimeter of this triangle, so what is this triangle ABE? So what would be its boundary? AB plus BE plus EA. Similarly, if you talk about this rectangle, its boundary will be BE plus ED plus BC plus CB. Okay, so we'll find perimeter of both these shapes and we'll utilize the concept of the thing that we learned just now, that like and unlike fractions, addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions. Okay, let us see for its solution. Okay, perimeter of triangle ABE is equals to AB plus BE plus EA. You have the length of AB, it is equal to 5 by 2. We'll place the unit at the end. BE, you are not having the length of BE, but you are having CD, and this is a rectangle. It is also given that rectangle BCDE. So if it is a rectangle, so CD is equal to BE. So we can write this as 2 whole 3 upon 4, and then EA is 3 whole 3 upon 5. Now just if we'll add it, we'll get the perimeter. So 5 by 2 plus 4 into 2, 8. To add, first of all, we have to convert it into improper or proper fractions only. So this is mixed fraction. Let us convert it into improper fraction. 4 into 2, 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. 5 into 3, 15 plus 3, 18 upon 5. Yes, 5 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18 upon 5. Now LCM of 2, 4 and 5. Let us take it over here. 2, 4 and 5. LCM. Least common multiple. We have multiples of 2. We have multiples of 4. We have multiples of 5. Which is the least common multiple among them. So this is the way to find prime factorization. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 as it is. Again 2, 1, 1, 5, then 5, 1, 1, 1. So LCM comes out to be 2 into 2 into 5, 2 twos are 4, 5s are 20. Or if you see other way, what are multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. What are multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. What are multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now the question is, which is these are the multiples of 2, 4 and 5, which is a least common multiple. So obviously starting from here, 10, is there 10 in both the numbers? No. 15? No. So this 20 is there in all three. So this is our LCM. This is what LCM is about. So we made it equal to 20. 20 divided by 2, 10 into 5 plus 20 divided by 4, 5 into 11 plus 20 divided by 5, 4 into 18. 10 5s are 50, 5 11s are 55, 4 18 4s are 72 upon 20. It gives you, okay, 50 and 50, 100, 170, 175, 177. 177 upon 20 centimeters. Or if you want to convert it into mixed fractions, to compare, it is easy to convert, it is better to convert into mixed fraction. So 177 upon 20, 28 are 160 and 17 remains in remainder. So this is what the perimeter of triangle. Now for perimeter of rectangle, what is perimeter of rectangle? If you see from here, then you can write BC plus CD plus DE plus EB. Other way around, you have one formula. It is 2 into length plus breadth. BC plus ED means 2 times breadth and 2 times length. So 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, we have not done the concept of multiplication of fractions. So I will not use this 2 for the time being. I'll just write BE plus ED plus BC plus CB. Let us hold this multiplication for the time. Okay, BE plus ED plus BC plus CB. So BE is 2 whole 3 upon 4. ED is 7 upon 6. DC is 2 whole 3 upon 4. And CB is again, if it is 7 upon 6, it is also 7 upon 6. Okay, solving it. 2 whole 3 upon 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. Plus 7 upon 6. Plus 11 upon 4. Plus 7 upon 6. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 12 divided by 4, 3. 3 into 11, 33. Plus 12 divided by 6, 2. 2 into 7, 14. Plus 12 divided by 4, 3. 3 into 11, 33. Plus 12 divided by 6, 2 into 7, 14. It comes out to be, okay, 4 plus 3, 7. Plus 3, 10. Plus 4, 14. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. Plus 1, 6. Plus 3, 9. Or let us reduce it. Can we reduce it? Yes. It falls in the table of 2. Dividing by 2 both the numbers. It gives you 2 4s are 8, 1 4, 2 7s are 14 upon 6. 12 divided by 2, 6. So now converting it into mixed fraction, 6 7s are 42. 7 whole 5 upon 6 centimeter. And now if someone asks you to compare these perimeters also, comparing 177 upon 20 and 47 upon 6 is a little difficult. But if you want to compare 8 whole 17 upon 20 and 7 whole 5 upon 6, it is very easy. 8 centimeter plus something, 7 centimeter plus something. It is between 8 and 9 centimeter. It is between 7 and 8 centimeters. So obviously this one is bigger. So this is one example where we are using the concept of addition of unlike fractions. Similarly, we have a number of statement questions related to it that you can easily do now. For statement questions, only thing required is you have to understand the question. And solving the questions you know now. Solving fractions you are aware. And understanding questions you have to do at your own part. Like reading the question, read it once, read it twice, and then understand what has been asked over there. and then see that what operation will you do, whether you will add, whether you will subtract, and then you can do that. Now, related to this addition and subtraction and some statement questions, I'll share one assignment to you. You do that assignment and just be more clear with this concept. It should be clear to you what are fractions and what is addition and subtraction of fractions, so that we can move on to other operations. Thank you. That was all for today. Let us meet in next tutorial soon. Thank you.